How to disable download option in a YouTube video. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can easily disable download on your YouTube video. Without any delay, let's just get into the video. First thing you'll need to do is download YouTube Studio on your phone. And if you're on laptop, you directly go to studio.youtube.com. And once you open up your YouTube Studio, you're going to have to find your contents. In order to do that, tap on the Contents tab down below, and it will show you all of your videos. Now what you're going to do next is tap on the video where you want to change the download settings to. And once you do that, you have an option to edit the video. So tap on the pencil icon at the top. And once you do that, you'll be taken to another page here where you have an option for tag shorts and remixing. So tap on this. And all you have to do is now tap on this option, allow embedding, and turn it off. Now, once you've done that, your viewers will not be able to remix the video or download it for their use. That is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to tap on the save button at the top right, and you'll be good to go. I'll catch you guys on the next one.